What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest Dion plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and I got something special for you guys in this one. Before we get into that, I got my channel pulled up, Meme Coin Daily, 374 subscribers. Let's get to 400 and then 500. It really help out the channel if you guys could like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And as always, guys, I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. I am just covering these projects. This is just entertainment purposes. And now let's head right over to DEX tools. Go for the top 10 trending peers like we always do. Number 1, we have The. Number 2, She, crushing it. Number 3, Sir, crushing it. Number 4, Cult. Number 5, Boost. Number 6, DC. Number 7, Bone. Number 8, SBI. Number 9, Dione. Number 10, WCI. Now, as you guys can see from the chart, Dion went on a nice run. How much is this up by? Up by around 300% if you got in on the 19th of October. And now it's doing a retrace. It is correcting because after a run like that, you have to correct so the chart could be healthy. A lot of people in this space really like this project, and that's what brought it to my radar, guys. As you can see from the Uniswap info, 527k in liquidity for Dione, 246.96k in trade volume, which is pretty good, I will say so myself. 1.13k holders and 7.91 million in market cap. 7.91 million market cap is a great market cap, you know what I'm saying? Not too low, not too high, doing better, has a better market cap than a lot of the alts that people talk about, the lower cap alts, you know what I'm saying, around 8 million market cap. This means we definitely got upside potential for the project, and the team and community is putting in that work. Now we're on the coin market cap for Dion. We see that 517 people has it on their watch list. It is at 0.00079. That's the price. So it takes Dion to get to 10 billion market cap for it to get to $1. There's no coins that will be added to circulation from the looks of things because the max and total supply are 10 billion. So like I said, guys, a lot of upside potential with this project. Let's see if it has any exchange listings. Coming down, we can see that it's on Uniswap and Mexi. It's on Mexi as well, and it has 317k in trade volume on Mexi, which is pretty good. The trade volume on Dion, like I said, there's a lot of alts that have great utility, layer ones, communication alts, you know what I'm saying, that have similar trade volume to Dion. As soon as we get to the website, there's a pop-up introducing you to the Dion wallet, iOS and Android version. So they already have a utility that is on the App Store, guys. And now we're taken to the website where we have all the numbers at the top. Nice little detail right there. The price, 24-hour volume, transactions, liquidity, and the market cap. The new power in charge, powering the crypto revolution with renewable energy. A renewable energy project. Now this is the thing, I saw a thread from a top influencer in the space, Chiro Crypto, and he has a list of top niches in the crypto industry that should go crazy for the next bull run. AI, ZK, and renewable energy projects were the top 3. And as you guys can see, Dion is a renewable energy project about Dion protocol. Inspired by the Nebra Sky, we present to you the Dion ecosystem. So they already have a wallet that is working, you know what I'm saying, already have their utility rolled out, and it's in motion, which is great to see. Safely and securely store your crypto in our wallet. That will also reduce the barrier to entry for newcomers of DeFi. Like I said, ease of access, simple and convenient entry into the space is very great for new users to get into the space, so that is bullish. Dion Swap. The Dion Swap will be a cross-chain swap and bridge service that will solve the complexity of purchasing tokens. Nice. Dion Blockchain. So we'll have smart contracts for this project as well, and that is one of the major utilities in the space, smart contracts, guys. Dion blockchain is a decentralized protocol that empowers safe and secure energy efficient transactions. Liking what I'm reading, guys. Read the white paper. You could pull up the white paper for your convenience right there on this the front page for you guys. Token information. This is the contract, so you could get it into your MetaMask or whatever wallet that you use. the Dion wallet, if you use the Dion wallet. What's to come, our roadmap, and they have Medium articles that link to each step that is next for Dion, which is pretty nice to see. You could it's always good to do your own research and go through everything for the project, about the project before you invest. And we can see they have a lot more things planned. Dion swap on the 5th, Dion swap bridge, Nebra full in-depth explainer with models. Second major marketing campaign begins. Orbit 2 begins. The free ghost explained. Now let's go to the free ghost, because this is next for their roadmap, and October 31st is right around the corner, just a few days away. Free ghosts coming soon, okay? Not sure what it's about? Let me know in the comments section. Let's go for a bit of the white paper for the project, see how they'll help with renewable energy. Now, after going through a bit of the overview, I've read that there's carbon emissions that is affecting the environment, and Dion protocol blockchain is based on decentralization solution for the problems faced by the energy sector as a whole to serve the following goals: promote the use of green energy, and make the usage of electricity affordable for everyone, and create an inclusive energy trading company. Now this could be something huge, guys. Going through a bit more of the Medium article, guys, I can see that this project definitely is taking this very serious. They broke down into detail how the protocol works, you know what I'm saying, and I love to see that, you know what I'm saying. This doesn't feel like another fly-by-night project, and you guys should definitely read through the white paper, see what it's all about. It's definitely a great read, and the next thing we're gonna check out is the official Twitter, see what we got there. Dion protocol, Dion wallet, Dion swap, Dion blockchain, a new power in charge, powering the crypto revolution with renewable energy. Almost 2K followers on the Twitter page. I have a tweet right here from the official Twitter, the 3 Ghosts, October 31st, 2022. Definitely creating some anticipation for whatever this could be, guys. I know the Dion community is very hyped about any new developments in the project. 121 likes, 51 retweets, which is pretty good. That means the community is very active, definitely doing their best to spread the word of Dion. And a retweet right here from the official Twitter from Justin Wu. Justin Wu is a big name in the crypto space, guys, and he says, excited to be the newest Dionist. I'm on board to support Dion protocol and the crazy community hype. This chart is prime future L1 blockchain powered by renewable energy that will also offer a renewable energy marketplace. But guys, it is a really bullish thing that the project is an L1 blockchain, and it also is in that niche of renewable energy. Like, the future for this project is very bright. I have a tweet right here from Chiro Crypto, another big name in the space. Dion TA video edition. This is a great chart, much can be learned here. SR flips candle formation, check it out. And then he has a whole breakdown in video form on the TA of Dion. And lastly, I hopped into the Telegram, and I see that there's 2,438 members in the Dion Telegram, and from what I've seen, the Dion community is very active. I really like what I see from this project. The future does look very bright for it, guys. L1 blockchain, focus on renewable energy. Who knows where the project could go in the future? This is crypto. Never rule any project out, guys. If you're holding Dion, let me know your thoughts of the project down in the comment section. This is your first time hearing about the project, let me know your thoughts in the comment section as well. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.